Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show you how to make cheese Danish with crescent rolls. First, gather your ingredients. 1 can of crescent rolls, 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 egg yolk. Make sure your cream cheese is softened to room temperature. This will make it much easier to mix smoothly. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, let's create that delicious creamy filling. In a medium bowl, combine the 8 ounces of softened cream cheese with 1/4 cup of sugar. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Using an electric mixer or a whisk, beat these ingredients together until the mixture is completely smooth and free of any lumps. This ensures a perfect texture for your Danish. Next, it's time to assemble your Danishes. Unroll the can of crescent rolls and separate the dough into 8 triangles. Place about 1 tablespoon of the cream cheese filling onto the wider end of each crescent roll triangle. Carefully fold the corners of the dough over the filling, creating a small pocket. You can pinch the edges to seal them if desired. Finally, it's time to bake your delicious creations. Place the assembled Danishes on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake for about 12 to 15 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown. Let them cool slightly before drizzling with a simple powdered sugar glaze. For more great tips and deals, including a link to the Oala water bottle, check the description below. Enjoy your homemade cheese Danishes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.